Tired of dull, lifeless hair? Dreaming of locks that radiate vitality and shine? It might surprise you, but the secret ingredient could be sitting right now in your kitchen cupboard. Yes, it's sugar. But hold on, before you start pouring sugar directly onto your hair, let's dive into the process. Step 1. Add sugar to your shampoo. It's as simple as it sounds. Take your favorite shampoo and mix in a tablespoon of granulated sugar. Shake it well so the sugar spreads evenly. The next time you wash your hair, use this sugar-infused shampoo. The sugar acts as a gentle exfoliant, scrubbing away dead skin cells from your scalp and promoting healthy hair growth. Now, let's move on to step 2. This is the creation of a vanilla and sugar hairspray or mist. This sweet-smelling concoction can add an extra layer of shine and softness to your hair. Start by boiling a cup of water. Once it has cooled down, stir in a tablespoon of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Transfer this mixture into a spray bottle and voila, your vanilla and sugar hair mist is ready. Spray this mist onto your hair, making sure to cover all strands from root to tip. The sugar in the mist will attract and retain moisture from the air, keeping your hair hydrated. Meanwhile, the vanilla extract adds a pleasant fragrance and also helps to seal in the moisture. So, to summarize, start by adding sugar to your shampoo, then create a vanilla and sugar hair mist. Use these regularly and you're on your way to having soft, shiny and healthy hair. This process not only brings life back to your hair, but also promotes a healthy scalp. The sugar exfoliates the scalp, removing dead skin cells, while the vanilla and sugar mist hydrates the hair, giving it a healthy sheen and soft texture. Remember, the journey to healthier hair is not a sprint, but a marathon. Consistency is key, so sprinkle in that sugar, spritz on that mist, and watch your hair transform from dull and lifeless to shiny and soft. It's time to let your hair shine in all its glory.